YouTube launched in 2005, and within the first 5 years it became the go-to website to share content and get noticed easily. Around the same time, many corporations started to notice the commercial viability of YouTube, and they too would use the site to get noticed quickly. This would all culminate into the golden age of YouTube, which was a period the website became more mainstream, resulting in an influx of new content creators, some who would become successful during this period, some who would become successful in the dark age period, and some who wouldn't ever be all that successful trying to make it. Regardless, it's very clear that YouTube's golden age was certainly a time for content creators to be alive, with vlogging channels, unboxing channels, prank channels, gaming channels, and many other channels of many other genres seeing signs of growth. Specific YouTubers like PewDiePie and Filthy Frank all became prominent during this time, especially the former for becoming the most subscribed channel in 2013, a title he held for 6 years with some interruptions. With Filthy Frank, he became known for popularizing the Harlem Shake and later for his tumultuous personality. Many other YouTubers and their achievements could be mentioned here, but there are just too much to mention. Really though, what the golden age of YouTube is really known for is all the viral trends. There was Justin Bieber's Baby becoming infamous for being the most disliked video on YouTube in 2010, a title said video would hold for 8 years. Rebecca Black's Friday becoming just as infamous in 2011. Psy's Gangnam Style being danced to and becoming the most viewed video on the entire website in 2012. A title said video would hold for 3 years. The aforementioned Harlem Shake in 2013. Five Nights at Freddy's flooding the YouTube gaming scene in 2014, and Shia LaBeouf's Just Do It being annoyingly popular in 2015. All of these trends and many others define the golden age of YouTube, like how The Little Mermaid, Aladdin, and The Lion King, and many other 90s films defined Disney's Renaissance period. More so, during this period, YouTube was moving away from the typical internet culture of the 2000s and gradually to a more mainstream platform, as did many other social media sites during this period. This was evident by the events like the site partnering up with The Onion for an April Fool's joke in 2013, PewDiePie being featured in an episode of South Park in 2014, and the sheer amount of YouTuber books, films, games, and interviews that came out during this time period. This was great for the site and all, but signs were beginning to show that YouTube was going south. Corporate influence really took hold at this point, and while not as common as it will be in the dark age, YouTube did make some questionable decisions during this time. For example, the decision to gradually make channel pages less customizable was one thing, but most infamously, YouTube began requiring users to use Google Plus to post comments, a very controversial decision that would last for 2 years. Many other problems extended to more veteran creators that have been on the site for a long time that wouldn't have the same popularity as they did in YouTube's early age, with some not being popular again until the dark age. In spite of all that, the YouTuber would pretty much still control the website until the dark age, which is what we'll be discussing next time on YouTube Nation. Thank you all for watching YouTube Nation. New parts every second Saturday of the month, and we'll see you next time.